Welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So many of the folks have been telling us that still they are not getting calls. Now the job market is increasing, it is improving. The jobs are increasing in the market. So if you are still not getting the calls, then I'll share a few of the tips and tricks in this particular video to create your resume in a proper manner such that you get the calls not only from Naukri.com, but you also get it from the LinkedIn.com. So there are certain resume philosophies that we will discuss in this particular video. And apart from that, I would also share with you the ATS friendly resume template with the projects. So if you don't have projects, don't worry, you can use this particular template. The projects are there. You can reuse them as per your convenience, as per your understanding. So let's understand few of the things that we should take care with respect to the resume template. Okay. So first is resume philosophy. So it should be simple, it should be clean. Now, many of the people are making the resumes very fancy using AI. There are lots and lots of AI tools using which you can make the resumes, but you have to keep it clean, right? Keep it concise, keep it up to the mark. Don't make it too fancy. Don't make it too many of colors. Don't add too many of designs in that, such that it gives a headache to the person who is going through it. Okay. So it should be designed to make the recruiters stop scrolling. So when the recruiters are seeing the CV, they should they should get that kind of a feeling, yes, that this is the candidate for this particular job opportunity. That's very important. Okay. Then there are certain resume writing techniques. For example, you have to align with the job description. If they are looking for API testing, are they looking for test analysis? So those kind of things are very important, right? If you are not taking care of those things, then what would happen? You might write just one thing, programming languages, coding. But what programming language? Coding is a very generic word. Are you doing coding as a software developer, or you're doing coding as a software tester, as an automation tester, or as an SDET? So there is a difference. So don't keep just coding. Keep in detail, like what kind of test analysis you do, right? Keep action verbs, right? Avoid repetitive lines. Many of the resumes that I have seen till now, so there are many people who are approaching us, and they are booking the calls on the top mate for resume reviews. Okay, so they are uploading their resumes, and then we are going through the resumes. So we have seen that whatever the roles and responsibilities are there in project one, the same roles and responsibilities are there in project 2, same roles and responsibilities are there in project 3. And the interviewer or the recruiter will also wonder, how come you are doing the same task in all the projects, right? So that's never going to happen. You will have a different task in different projects. Your responsibility would be different. Of course it would be testing, but there will be the variation in the role. Okay. Then name and personal info. So all these things should be there. It should be bold, and font size should be proper. Contact details should be there. LinkedIn should be there. It should be hyperlink. Just don't mention the LinkedIn link. It should be the hyperlink on which the recruiter or the interviewer can click on that, and they can see what you have posting on the LinkedIn profile. Then education is important. It should be at the end. Work experience should be in the reverse chronological order, right? Many times people start their resume with the year that they have started working, 2010, 12, 14, 16. What are you doing in 2025? That's more important compared to what you did in 2010, right? So chronological order is important. Mix of technical plus soft skills, that's again an important, right? Don't dump the buzzwords. What I would suggest is you take 10 job descriptions, identify the skills in that, prepare on those skill set, and then update your resume, then give the interviews. That would be beneficial to you because those skill set are there in demand. You'll come to know which are the skill set that are there in demand, and those skill set would be a part of your resume also now. So it would help you a lot. Just analyze those 10 jobs that are there in the market, what kind of job description they have kept. Formatting guidelines, right? So font should be Arial, we already discussed. Then you can also use the section headings if you have, so that would be 10 pointers. You should use bullet points, not dashes, not emojis, no WhatsApp kind of emojis, no Twitter kind of stuff on your resume. It should be very professional. Length of the resume, 1.5 to 2 page. The ATS friendly resume template that we have uploaded on the top mate, it has projects. Still it is of 1 page, 1.5 page, right? So you can use it. Unnecessarily graphics are not required. Too heavy colors, like yellow, green color is not required. Just keep it plain, black and white. PDF editor, you can use this PDF editor Canva tools for your resume updating. You can also check Grammarly for the content that you have written. Okay, now what is the outcome for this kind of template? So if you create these kind of resume templates that we have already created, an ATS friendly resume template that is available on TopMate, people are getting the calls. Recently, one of my subscribers, she told she got the call from Accenture. One of my subscribers, she got the call from MasterCard. So people are getting the calls provided you keep this kind of templates, provided you keep this kind of things in your resume. These are the best practices. These are the standards that you should follow, right? If you are making mistakes in resume, even if you are technically sound, even if you might be in budget, but you won't get shortlisted, then what's the point of getting interviewed, right? What's the point of having such knowledge when you are not getting the chance, when you are not getting the opportunity to get interviewed? So that's the thing that I wanted to share with you, right? So this was a small video that we had created on the how to get more calls for the testers, right? So you can refer to this kind of ATS friendly resume templates, which will help you to get more calls from the interview perspective as well as from your career perspective, right? So that would be very much beneficial because if you see the timing of the jobs, the IT industry, the times, the strategy before COVID era, it was altogether different. Now, after COVID era, the things have changed drastically. It's not like a minor changes, but it has changed drastically. Earlier, people were looking for manual testers, automation testers. These days, people are looking for everything, mix of automation, mix of Playwright, Selenium, everything they know. However, if you have Selenium, Java things, if you can put some projects in your resume, that would be much beneficial to you. It would help you a lot in your resume. And not only that, but it would help you to get the calls also. It would increase the chances for you to get the calls for your interviews, right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.